Morning folks, Andy here from Bushcraft. Hope you're having a nice day and welcome to another video. So folks, I'm on the coast today, just having a look about, just walking rusty really. But I stopped off at this spot here, dug myself a fire pit, and I've got a bit of rice with me, so I thought I'd stop off for a bit of lunch and supplement the rice with some of the sea life around here. Really, it's only limpets available. There's a few mussels and stuff, but I'm not going to bother with the mussels because being that they're filter feeders, I'm not 100% sure on the area in terms of the water and the cleanliness, so I'm going to stay away from them. But the limpets, they should be fine because they just eat all the sort of microbacteria off the rocks and stuff. So yeah, got my mug, get myself a blunt rock, and I'll get over to those rocks that are behind you right now and start knocking some off. So I've got my rock container to keep them in once I've knocked them off. There's loads of them dotted all over here. There's a few big ones, a few sort of medium sized, a few small ones. So let's get taking a few. So there's one, that's a pretty big one. Folks, so I've got my limpets in my mug. There's about 9 or 10 of them, can't really remember now off the top of my head. But I've got my fire pit dug there, and I'll get that all sorted out, get the fire going. And what I'm going to do is just put some cold water into this, put that in the fire, bring it to the boil, and I'm going to put the limpets in that, and then just cook them in that, sort of simmer it away even, for as long as it takes them just to come out of their shells. That'll be them done. Like I said, I've got a bit of rice with me, so I'll be boiling that up on my billy can just so it's a bit more and it's not just limpets, because they're not the worst thing I've ever tasted in my life, but they're not the greatest either. I've also got a bit of cayenne pepper just to season it a bit with. So yeah, let's get cracking, eh? So I've got the fire going now. In this little tin here, got some rice. And an oxo cube. I won't be doing all the rice. Just a light snack, Crush up the oxo cube. splash of water. So folks, it's the fire going. Got some really nice seasoned ash here. This was a bit that was at my parents' house. We're up in Scotland at the minute. And yeah, this was at my parents' house. It's a piece of ash I cut a couple of years ago, and it was just sat out in my dad's back garden, but he's got there's a bit of an overhang, and it was just sat under there and just drying out through the summer, through the winter, and it is absolutely bone dry, solid. It's brilliant. So sort of using that as my sort of main firewood, if you like. But yeah, so I'll get the seafood platter, if you like, on the fire soon and get eating. Something else to consider when you're cooking limpets even. These shells make fairly good bearing blocks for the bow drill. You get the tip of the spindle into there and then cup that in your hand, and it holds them in place really well. So I think this one, because it is fairly big, fit my hand really well, I expect. Yep. I'm going to keep this one, take it home with me. Right folks, that's the rice ready. I've just put the lid back on just to keep it warm, and I've got the limpets boiling away in there now. Just going to leave them in for about 5-10 minutes at a push until they start coming out of their shells. Black bubble bits are like the gut sack. You can just sort of take them off. I've heard that people eat these because they add extra to the flavour. That's up to you, I don't. Let's throw that in the fire. And there's one. They always remind me sort of the shape of like Predator's head. You know that film Predator? That's what they always remind me of. Just got a bit of cayenne pepper here to add on. Expect, chewy. Like I said, they aren't the greatest thing to eat. I certainly wouldn't have to eat them on their own. When you've only got a little bit of rice with you, you know, it pads it out, I suppose. But yeah. I've tried them before, cooked them straight on a barbecue. But that was I think that was a bit too much. They were really chewy then. It was they were really tough to eat. But boiling them this way, they are still chewy, but they're not you know, they're not as chewy. You could fry them on rocks. If you put them back onto a, you know, a sort of flattish rock, they'll sort of sucker back down onto it. Put them into the fire and spread coals over the top of them. They cook that way. They're alright that way as well. But I think, for me, I think boiling's the best way. They come out less chewier. But yeah, it is definitely no caveman steak. It will never trump that. But you know, you can eat them. You can live on them if it comes to it. As always folks, thanks for watching. Really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to stop by and check my channel out and watch my videos. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Take care.